Plastic Model Builders. It's me, Ari Stone, with Plastic Model Builder. This is part 3 of my series of the Tamiya Focke Wulf FW190A8R2. You see, we are painting the cannons, guns, whatever you want to call them, on this model. We're going to finish this up. We're going to put on the landing gear. We are going to put on the bomb that's there, the propeller. You see me doing that right now. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like to my channel if you've seen this video and you like it. Putting that prop on, you see how it goes. You see that dark green color there? That's the color of the prop. It was not black. It's German aircraft. Got the little step right here that goes on. That way the pilot can get up into the aircraft. We're going to put in our back wheel right here. Very simple. Just fits nicely into that little slot that you see there. Press it in. There it goes. Very easy. Right here we have our landing gear. Just a little pin. It goes in this landing gear. It's kind of canted at an angle, and this is the other one right here. You see how it goes? Now we have a strut that has to go on here. Take the strut, you put it on, and it's got a little pin on it that it goes into. You see me putting that in right there, just like that. It goes on the side. Make sure it dries. Here's the other side right here, the right side of the aircraft. And you can see how that cannon also goes through the airplane, that silver part right there. So make sure you get that color. I did that in one of the previous videos, so go back and watch it. You see right there how that attaches to the strut. So right here we have this thing. I don't know what this is. Tube. I'm sure it says something in the direction. So this right here holds the tank that goes right in the middle of the aircraft. We're going to paint that, as you see, and then put this assembly together. Goes on just like so. This is model making madness right here. We're making this whole model look pretty because it is a wonderful model. It's very easy to do. It goes by quick. Got that tank right there. Goes right there in the center. Make sure it lines up nicely. It's got a lot of decals on it. Just like that. Got right here a headrest. And we're going to put in a pitot tube. You saw me painting that headrest. We're going to paint this pitot tube. If you have to widen that hole, do so. That goes to fuselage color on the top and the bottom, as you can see me doing right there. You see how well that matches. Then paint the tin silver. Now right here we are going to put on a little sight. Just like that, we will be putting the canopy on as well later on, and you see that right there as well. The back one will go on later as well. There that is. Remember to make these things look pretty. Press that down. You can do the canopy open or closed. You got that headrest right there. Goes in very simple. And of course, paint this stuff right here, and you got some landing lights that you can get painted, 2 on each side. Do this little miscellaneous painting. We're almost done with this aircraft. Subscribe, comment, and like to my channel. I have a Facebook group called Plastic Model Builder. Join that. You can see the link. It's in the comments section, the description section, I should say. And you see that prop there. Anyway, thanks for watching. Until next time, see ya.